Good afternoon everyone. This is Brenda again from Bella's Artisanal Apothecary. I am here getting ready to package 2 orders. It's the last 2 that I have for this day. I've already packaged, I think it's, let me see how many I have. Let me grab a pen. Okay. Sorry, I'm counting them in the corner here. So I have 24 orders total today. I've already packaged 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, and I have 2 more to package. Put this here. Okay, so for this particular order, this is going priority mail. This one's going to New York. So this one will get there. It'll take like maybe 2 days, honestly, to get there. Packages, even with the notification from the post office that they're going to arrive, or that there is a delay, because I've been getting messages every day. They're still arriving in plenty of time. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. I have seasonal shred, and then I have my signature shred, which is black and silver. So for these, I'm gonna use the remainder of my seasonal shred, which is the red and green. This particular order that's going to New York, the other one that I have left is going to Puerto Rico. So this one has a cashmere cream body cream, and this one smells very, very nice. It's very light. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it. So I'll put that one in there. This one also is getting, I have 2 colors, 2 packagings for the Cranberry Rhubarb. This one is, the label's a little bit wonky because of how they were printed, but I don't believe in wasting anything. So this packaging is actually a type of plastic, more on the paper side. It is biodegradable. So I'm trying to see if I can find more of this one. But I do prefer paper. This is actually a paper label with a tacky back, because everything that we use these days should be easily to disintegrate in the garbage landfills. So this one is biodegradable. This disintegrates, it biodegrades in no time because it's paper. And of course you've got the soap in here. The only thing is the little wax seal. That takes a little bit longer, but I think I can be forgiven for that one little item. So we'll put the Cranberry Rhubarb. I don't know if you can see. There we go. I'll put it more this way. And then this person has also ordered, where'd it go? My Spice Mahogany Piped Top Artisan Soap. So this is the one that has obviously the piped top. That's like a cream with a little bit of gold drizzle. And this one it's mahogany, lemongrass, and basil for a perfect masculine blend. But again, all of my soaps can be used by anyone. But for those men that love this combination, you'll love this soap. There we go. So the other item that this person is going to get, excuse me, is the Angel Face Tea Tree Soap. This one is the black and white soap, and this is essential oils and activated charcoal. It does have organic poppy seeds on the top. This is 4.5 ounces. It's a little bit more generous than what I put here. And you want to make sure that when you're using these soaps that you have them on a dish drain that will allow the water to drain off of them, because they'll last you longer. But this one is so great for the face, the arms, anywhere you have a little bit of bumps and itchiness. This is going to be the ideal soap. That's that. And then the other item that this person is getting as a freebie, they're going to get my Reindeer Poop. And it has the ingredients on the back. So this is Reindeer Poop. And it does have a chocolatey smell to it, like a sweet caramel chocolatey smell without being too pungent. So they'll get that one as a freebie. And then this person, since they ordered a spiced mahogany, I'm gonna send them a body butter bar. This one is tobacco and bay leaf. And it's in the shape of a beautiful succulent. And I think they'll like and appreciate that one. They're also going to get, based on what they ordered again, I'm gonna send them a sample of the citrus blossom with organic turmeric. This is one of my organic soaps, so they'll get that as well. And I'll just pop that in there. Let me get a little bit more shred for this one. And this, I definitely want to protect these, so I think I'm going to have to go open up one of my other bags of shred because I'm running out here in the box. And so that's going to go like that. I'm going to put my sticker on here and my card and the invoice. So let me, what did I do with that pen? I swear I must eat my pens. I don't know what to do with it. But anyway, this one I had put a label on it and then I had to take it off. But I can reuse, the box is brand new. I had just put the wrong label on it before. New York. Sally. Okay, so I know who this one's going for. I'll finish packaging this one in a moment. And by that I mean putting the sticker, the card, and the invoice. And then the next one that I have is this one. That's good for the bottom. Okay, so this one's going to Puerto Rico. Excuse me. So this person is getting a Tree of Life gift box. They didn't want the twine on it. They made a note that they were fine with it like this. So I'm just going to pop that in there. They're also going to get the Peaches and Cream Body Butter Bar. Now this is a hefty bar. This one is 3.5 ounces. Most online sellers offer, I think it's like between a 1.5, maximum 2. I haven't seen many that offer the bigger size like I do, but it's a beautiful body bar. And basically what you do is you just take it out of the tin and just rub it on your hands. Well, actually rub it between your hands to get it warmed up a little bit, and then just rub it on your skin, your elbows, arms, knees, feet. I rub these a lot on my feet because I'll be telling you the truth. I have very rough heels. This person's also getting the spiced tobacco leaf. If you want something that smells like tobacco, this one's it. Imagine yourself sitting like, I don't know, in a little cocktail lounge, and you've got the guys smoking cigars, and you've got the smell of whiskey, and you're across the street from the beach. Imagine all of those scents combined. This is what you get with this one. This person's also getting a Cranberry and Rhubarb. This is the different packaging I was talking about. Same soap, same recipe, just the packaging is different. This one's a paper. The other one is a combo of plastic and paper. I prefer to use paper as much as I can because it biodegrades faster, okay? And then I'm sending them a Reindeer Poop as well. And the back has the ingredients. It's a chocolatey caramel smell. It's sweet without being overly sweet. I just don't know how else to describe it. It smells wonderful. They're getting that, and then they're getting a sample of my apple blossom with organic ginger. It's a wedge right there. And then they're getting a sample of the body bar, which is tobacco and bay leaf as well. And this one's actually in the shape of a Christmas tree. It's very cute. So they'll get that and that. Let me write the name of the person on the box. this one's going to. And how many orders did I say? 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. All right. So I'll add the shredding to this one. Let me go ahead and do the folds of the paper here. I'll add the little cute sticker on the top. It's a thank you sticker. I'll go ahead and just do the folds. I'll add the shred, print my labels. I already wrote on here who it's going to. That way I can remember and not forget. And again, this one will have, I'll add the shred, the sticker, the invoice, and my card saying thank you. And I use different boxes. So I've got these. I've got some that I've purchased from Walmart online. I've got shipping boxes that I've purchased from Uline. I do purchase mainly from Uline. And then I have my shipping boxes in a few different sizes that I get from the post office. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We are at the tail end of December. And I hope that everyone has had a wonderful Christmas, that the new year brings better things for everyone. You can visit my website at bellasartisanalapothecary.com. I am on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. I have been making products for a year and a half, almost, a little bit more. But I had not really established a website or posted videos. I had kept it pretty much to just local business. But it's time for me to expand, which I have been doing. And again, I just want to say a big thank you to all of my friends, family, and customers who become almost like family, especially when they send you wonderful little notes. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just me doodling. I hope that 2021 brings us better things. I have been working from home. I do have my day job, and then I have my business. So my hope is to expand my business and, grow more customers and just continue to grow. I appreciate any comments. I appreciate any positive feedback. I always say this, that before I make a comment, I'm going to put myself in the position of the person that I'm watching. You never know what someone's going through. I've worked retail, and I cannot tell you how many times I've managed to get a smile on someone's face that came into the store, just ready to rip into me for no reason, just because I was an easy target, or because they thought that they can get to me, they can make me cry, they can make me crumble. But that famous song, I Will Survive, that is my mantra. That is my motto. And I want everybody to think about that. Let's think about being nice and kind to everyone. Let's think about being honest in this world. There's a lot of people out there that live their day-to-days with things that are not truths, and they become so used to it that they actually believe what they're saying. So I don't like to be untruthful. I like to be honest and upfront. And I encourage everyone watching to do the same. It'll make you feel better. Trust me. Anyway, that's all I have to say, and I wish everyone a Happy New Year. It's coming up in a few days, and again, may 2021 bring us the joy that we very much need at this time. So thank you again for watching. And again, visit Bella's Artisanal Apothecary. That's my website. You can also find me on Instagram, obviously here on YouTube, and Facebook. So thank you.